Hey, gals and guys, this is Christian Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and happy 2023. And hopefully this is the last video I will be making sitting in a bed. So if you're not aware, other videos I've mentioned it before. I broke my ankle back in September, so I set up my computer system so I could do it from bed, but I'm walking around fine now. I can drive. I just got to get everything back over to the desk, and hopefully the rest of 2023 I can start making videos from my desk instead of sitting in this bed. So usually what I do 3 times a year, or at least I started in 2021, is New Year's, 6 months into the year, and then the anniversary of the channel. I go in and do analytics and just kind of show you what it looks like. And it's mostly YouTube analytics, just to show you how the channel has grown. Now, I'm a very small channel. I'm not a niche. I don't have any type of niche. I deliver, or I post, and I make any videos that I just feel like making because I enjoy doing that. Do I want to grow an audience? Certainly. Do I want subscribers? Certainly. Do I want to make money off this channel? Certainly. Who doesn't? I would love to make a living off this channel, but that's not even in a remote possibility at this point. So what I like to do is show people. When I started this channel, it was all about marketing and affiliate stuff and selling stuff on Amazon, and I don't really do that anymore, just as a matter of time, because I'm more interested in other things. Will I get back to it at some point? I'm not really sure. I changed like the wind. My interests changed like the wind. Right now I'm just concentrating on trying to get the 1,000 subscribers for my channel and the 4,000 viewing hours, just to the fact I want to get there. It's like a goal to get there. It's not necessarily the money, and money is always great, but it's the goal to get there and see what continues. And I like to show anyone who's thinking of doing a YouTube channel, yes, even in 2023, yes, there's a lot of entertainment. There's a lot of streaming channels out there. There's tons and tons of YouTube channels out there. The choices are, bizarre, not bizarre, they're just astronomical, I guess is the word I'm trying to think of. There's just so many choices now. When I grew up, I had 4 channels to choose from on TV. Now we have the world to us, and we're making our own shows, and we're producing our own videos, and we're making our own movies and music. It's just a wonderful time. And there is room for you if you've thought about making a YouTube channel and say, there's too much competition, there's too much out there. No, 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 no. Everyone has different tastes. They might gravitate just to your personality. If there's 50 other people doing movie reviews, that's great. I've watched some movie reviews and the people bore the shit out of me. I turn it off. I watch movie reviews with some people, Stuckman, Chris Stuckman. I'll watch him, and I subscribe to his channel. I'll watch his movie reviews just because I like the guy. I like his personality, and it's not necessarily what you're covering. Sometimes it does have to do with your personality. So don't necessarily think because everyone else is covering a subject you don't need to. Certainly do a niche. Don't do what I do. I don't do a niche. I'm all over the place, and that's not any way to grow an audience. You kind of want to get into an area where everyone is interested in each video and come back and watches the entire video. And I don't do that. But I'm going to start. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. So I just want to show people that are thinking of having a YouTube channel or already have a YouTube channel, just to kind of show you how the growth is. My growth is very, very small, very, very slow. I've been around officially 2 years and 3 months. The channel's been around for like 10 years, but I never did anything with it. I really didn't do anything with it until October of 2020. So with all that said, let's go to the dashboard. Now this year is really increased, and I know it's only 303 subscribers, and to a lot of people that's nothing. That's chump change, right? To me, that has grown exponentially. I don't always do good words. It's grown pretty good this year, more than last year, and that's what I like to see. And then next year, hopefully, I'll even more subscribers. It will double the subscribers or triple the subscribers. That would be great, because I think I only had, and we'll look at it in just a second, I think I only had like 67 subscribers in the beginning of the year for the whole 10 years this channel's been around, and then I gained a couple hundred so subscribers this year, and hopefully that will double, and so on and so forth as we go. I did want to mention just really quickly. I did start a new channel before I get to the main channel. It's called What Is Today? Mark your calendars. So basically what these videos are, and I'm not going to be able to keep this up. I'm probably going to do 7 videos and leave them there and do one once in a while. But each day of the week, I go to this National Day Today and I pick a day like Science Fiction Day is going to be on Monday. It's going to be tomorrow. And so I did a video on that. And there's Chocolate Covered Cherry Day, which is on Tuesday. So I did a video on that. I'm going to upload it. And each day is a different holiday or a different celebration or a different occurrence. And I just make videos of those. This is kind of an experiment. This is my niche video channel because I'm just going to do days what's celebrated each day, depending on what day of the month it is. So I'm going to see how that goes for a bit. I just started this a couple days ago, and there's not many views so far. I haven't advertised it or anything or like that. So I'm just going to mention it right here so I can take a look 6 months later and see how it's doing. All right, back to the main channel. So let's look at the analytics here, and I'll give you kind of an idea. This is 28 days out. Let's go 7 days out. Can't really tell too much because it's such a close examination of videos. I want to talk about Charles Dickens' Scrooge in just a moment. It seems like most of my videos are my tutorial videos and my overview of hardware. That's what seems to be the longevity of the channel. I haven't done that in a while, and I need to get back to instructional videos. Drupal, Joomla, I've been thinking of doing instructionals of those. So this is pretty high as far as viewership. Let me go back 28 days now. Now this is really ballooned up, and this is very surprising to me since Christmas. And the reason why is because of Charles Dickens' Scrooge. This is an old public domain movie that I posted last year. It's had absolutely no traffic since last Christmas of 2021. For some reason, all of a sudden, it's ballooned up, and it's getting, YouTube is spotlighting, and it's getting a lot more hits. And I thought after Christmas, I thought it was just a fluke. It'd be a day or two and done. But people are still watching it. That's great. It's a great movie. If you haven't seen it, it's a classic movie. It's from 1935. I'm trying to look at the thumbnail there. And it's one of the original Scrooge movies. I think it's the first talkie Scrooge movie, if I'm not mistaken. So people are watching it. People are liking it. And like 20% are pretty much watching the whole thing. So that's great. And as you can see, in the past 24 hours, it's been hit by 2,180 people. It's blown up. That seems to be blowing up my channel more than usual. So that's kind of odd to me anyways, but it's great because that puts more eyes on my channel. I got some copyright claims here, which I'll take care of. I dispute those. I have videos about that. If you get copyright claims and how to dispute them, how go about disputing them, and those will be gone probably in a couple weeks. And this is just my general content. I did mostly Christmas videos over the past December, and they get modest hits. I mean, it's nothing to write home about, as they say. I did a cringe video, the cringe side of YouTube, just because I watch these videos of these people on YouTube. I mean, watch the video if you want to learn about it. I'm not going to get into it, but it doesn't seem to be very popular with some people. There's 6 likes and it's only 66.7% of dislikes to likes. So there's some people that didn't like it. Either the quality of my video sucks, or the subject matter sucks, or or both. For the reason I got dislikes on it, but whatever. Dislikes are just as good as likes, as far as I'm concerned. As long as people are watching. If they hate it, that's fine, as long as they're watching. All right, so let's go back to analytics, because I want to show you what's happened in a year's time. Okay, so let's go here. As you can see, that's major climb, this Dickens Scrooge. Let's go to compare to. Let's go to year over year. So over on this side, I'm going to do 2021. And then over on this side, I am going to do 2022. And we're going to make the comparison. So as you can see in the beginning of the year, 2021 to 2022, it's pretty much the same. It was kind of equal. I went up a little bit in the beginning of the year for 2022. And then really once the summer hit, I was doing like a lot of travel videos and stuff, which I do in the summer. I got to get back to it too. I haven't traveled to a small town in a long time because I broke my ankle. But as you can see, around the summertime, it really started to grow. And then around December, I posted a lot of videos in October for scary movies, in December for Christmas movies, and then that Scrooge movie just freaking took off. So we'll see how long that lasts. And as you can see by the end, way up here. So you can see the channel growing over the year. And then I'm anticipating next year the same type of chart, the same type of growth as I post more videos and my audience grows. So that's it. I mean, I got the Google Analytics for my website. I don't really concentrate too much on my website. I wrote some articles this year in the past couple months just because I had the time. They get hits here and there. I've been looking for a job, so my portfolio's on there. So my site's got more hits than normal, just for that fact, because employers are looking at my portfolio. Again, I did break my ankle, so I've been out of work since September, since I broke my ankle, and that's a whole other story. I was supposed to start a new job and get into a new apartment, and that all went to shit. But trying to get back into life, and that's a whole other video, maybe. I don't know. I just started using Twitter again. I haven't used it in a long time. I posted a couple things, so I'm gonna get back to that. And the only reason these are all up 648% is just because I started using it in the past week. Facebook, fucker, disabled my old account, so I had to start a new account for friends. To talk to them. Am I going to use Facebook that much as I used to? No, I did create a new business account through it. Let's see if I can get to it real quick. Oh, here it is right here. I'll start posting here and there again. I'm not going to get too into Facebook anymore. They screwed me over once, and I'll probably never get my old account back. So I can't use my old fan pages or my old business account. So I just recreated another one. So I can't really show any analytics to that because I've only done it in the past week. But I'm pretty happy about this, and I'm going to end it here. As long as the channel is growing, subscribers are growing, and if you subscribed and are watching this, I appreciate you very much. And we'll see what happens in the next 6 months. The next 6 months. Oh, I hope that happens too. So we'll see what happens in June and see where it goes from there. All right, gals and guys. So I will do this again in June, and I wish you a happy new year and putting up with me and all my ramblings on my other videos if you happen to watch those. And please subscribe. As you know, please like this video if you liked it. Like it anyways if you didn't. Share it. I don't know why you would share it, but share it anyways and hit the bell for updates. And that's it. That's my 2023 January 1st analytic YouTube video, and many videos to come this year, I hope. And that is all I have to say at this point, which is amazing in itself. And I will catch you later. Peace out, gals and guys. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.